Good morning, everybody. Dear student, today discuss chapter 12. Chapter name is area related to circles. So here in this exercise, two formulas use area of circle pi r square and circumference of circle 2 pi r. Here r is the radius of circle, y is the a ratio, and pi is equal to circumference upon diameter. This ratio also studied in class ninth and chapter first. So here first question is the radius of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the circle. So here solve this question. Let radius of first circle r1 is equal to 19 centimeter. Radius of second circle, this is C, r2 is equal to, this is 19 and r2 is 9 centimeter, and radius of third circle, this is also new circle, which make the combined this circle, circumference of this circle is equal to this circle. Third circle is equal to r centimeter. So first circumference of first circle of first circle 2 pi r1. So 2 pi, what is the value of r1? r1 is 19. So 19 to the 38 pi centimeter. Next, circumference of second circle 2 pi r2. 2 pi, what is r2? r2 is 9. So this is 18 pi. Now according to the question, two pi r circumference of new circle is equal to sum of circumference of this circle. So 38 pi plus 18 pi imply that 2 pi r is equal to, total is 56 pi. So here r is equal to 56 pi divided by 2 pi. So pi and pi cancel out. 2 2 जा 4 और 2 8 जा 16. So here r is equal to 28 centimeter. Next question is second question. So second question is, the radii of circle, two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Same previous question, but here is the area, sum of area, and previous question sum of circumference. So solution same. Solve. Let radius of first circle let r1 is equal to 8 centimeter and radius of second circle r2 6 centimeter and radius of third circle is r. So first we will find the areas of first circle, second circle. So area of first circle is pi r1 square. So pi what is r1? So r1 is 8 square, so this is 64 pi centimeter square. Next, area of second circle pi r2 square. So here r2 is 6 centimeter, so 6 square, this is 36 pi centimeter square. According to the question, the area of new circle is equal to sum of area of two given circle. So pi r square is equal to 64 pi plus 36 pi. Imply that pi r square is equal to total is 100 pi. So r square is equal to 100 pi upon pi. So pi is cancel out. So here r square is equal to r square is equal to 100. So imply that r is equal to square root of 100. So here r is equal to 10 centimeter, because we will use the plus minus 10, but radius is positive not negative, so answer is 10 centimeter. Next question is third question. This is the lengthy question but not difficult. So given figure, the 5 areas: gold, red, blue, black and white. Simple, this is the target marked 5 scoring towards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region, this diameter of gold score, this region is 21 centimeter, means complete the diameter of 21 centimeter, and each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide, means this wide is 10.5 centimeter, this is 10.5 centimeter, 10.5 centimeter, 10.5 centimeter. So here find the area of each of the 5 scoring region. So area of gold region, red region, blue region, black region and white region. Here use the pi is 22/7, otherwise 3.14. Also let the radius of first circle, we will let the gold region is first circle and this circle is second, means complete, and this is third circle and this is fourth and this is fifth circle. So here radius of R1 is 22 because the diameter of gold region is 21 centimeters, so this is the 20 diameter upon 2 is equal to radius, so divide, so this is 10.5 centimeter. And second is because the wide is 10.5 centimeters, so add the 10.5 centimeter of first radius, so 10.5 plus 10.5 is 21 centimeter, and again add the 10.5 centimeter also, so third region in this radius, so 31.5 centimeter, again fourth radius, so 10 add in this radius 10.5 centimeter, so this is the 42 centimeter. And fifth circle, so add in this radius 10.5 centimeter, so this is the 52.5 centimeter. So first we will find the area of gold region. So area of gold region is equal to pi R1 square, so pi is 22/7, here also given pi, use the pi is 22/7. So divide by 7. What is the value of radius? Radius is a 10.5, so here square, so 10.5 into 10.5 divide by 7, so 1.5, so total multiply this value is 346.5 centimeter square. Area of red region, pi r square 2 because the complete radius is R2 and this is the first radius, so we will subtract the value of this complete area minus this area, so area of red region. So here pi r2 square minus pi r1 square, here pi is the common, so r2 square minus r1 square, put the value of r2 and r1, square of 21 square minus square of 21 and square of 10.5, so square of 21 is 441 and square of 10.5 is 110.25, so subtraction here, so this is the 330.75 divided by 7 is 47.25, multiplies, so area is 1039.5 centimeter square. Again the area of blue region, so area of third circle minus area of second circle, so pi r3 square minus pi r2 square, here pi is common, so r3 square minus r2 square. So what is the value of pi? Pi is 22/7, square of what is the value of r3? R3 is 31.5 square minus r2 is 21 square, square of 31.5 is 992.25 and 21 square is 4441. So subtract the value here, so this is the 551.27 divided by 7 here, sorry 5 not 7, this is 5, so divide by 7, so value is 78.75, multiply by 22, so here this is the 1732.5 centimeter square. area of black region, so pi r 4 square minus pi r 3 square, pi is common, so r 4 square minus r 3 square, put the value 42 square minus 31.5 square, so square of 42 is 1764 and square of 31.5 is 992.25. so subtract the value, so here 771.75 divided by 7, so 110.25 multiply by 22, so value is 2425.5 centimeter square. And area of white region, so area of white region is pi r square, pi r 5 pi r5 square minus pi r4 square, the area of fifth region minus area of fourth region. So pi here is common, so pi is common, so r5 square minus r4 square, square of 52.5 square minus 42 square, so 2756. 1764 divide here minus here, so divide multiply by 22 here, so this 3118.5 centimeter square. Just complete question. Next question is fourth question. Fourth question is the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 km per hour? So we also know that if wheel is revolving, so the distance covered by perimeter of wheel, also called the circumference of wheel. So we will find the value of circumference of wheel. So first given radius of wheel, radius of wheel is equal to diameter upon 2, so diameter is 80 upon 2, so this is 40 centimeter. So first and speed of wheel, speed of wheel 60, wheel means wheel also car, here use the car, 66 km per hour. So we will change in this value in minutes, because here find the revolution in 10 minutes, so this in this hour change in minutes, and here the radius is centimeter, so this value is change in centimeter also. So here 66 into, we also know that in 1 kilometer is equal to, in 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 10 centimeter, 100 centimeter, so 1000, this is change in meter, and again meter change in centimeter, so multiply by 100, this is centimeter, and hour change in minutes, so 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so this is 60 upon minute also. So divide here, this is 11 10 to 10, so this is 110,000 centimeter per minute. Again find the value of circumference of wheel. So here circumference of wheel. So circumference of wheel. Circumference of wheel is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 pi, here pi use 22/7, so 22/7 into r is 40. So complete is 2 into 2 into 22 into 4/7, because here dividing also, so not multiply complete value of this in this. So next find the value of number of revolutions. Take the revolutions is n, and so here number of revolutions of wheel in 10 minutes is equal to one 0 0 0 0 upon 2 into 2 2 into 40/7 into 10 minutes, because we also know that distance is equal to time into speed. So here is the time into speed, so this is distance. So total distance, here this is total distance upon wheel covered in one revolution distance. This is because we also know that distance is equal to speed, speed into time. So here speed into time, this is speed into time means 10 minutes. So this is the total distance covered by wheel, and one wheel covered distance, wheel covered distance in one revolution, this distance. So number of revolutions, distance covered wheel by total distance divided by one revolution of distance means parameter, and circumference also called. So here So multiply here, and this is cancel out. 11 2 ja 22, and this is 1 0 0 0 0. Also 4 divide this, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, so 2 is 20, 4 5 ja 20. So here this value means 2500 into 7 divide with this value, multiply here, and 2 into 2, this is 4. So divide here again, 4 4 6 ja 24, and 1, so this is 2 8 and 5. So this is 625 into 7, multiply by 7, 7 5 is 35, so 5 carry 3, 7 2 is 14, 14 3, 17 7 1, and 7 6 is 42, 42 and 43. This is answer. And last question of this exercise is fifth question. So fifth question is, take the correct option in the following and justify your choice if the perimeter and the area of a circle are numerically equal than the radius of the circle. So here the relation given, the perimeter of circle and area of circle are numerically equal. So we will solve. Solution. So we also know that circumference of circle and area of circle. So first, area of circle pi r square, circumference of circle pi r square, sorry, 2 pi r, not pi r square, 2 pi r, because here r is the radius of circle according to the question. Here question, if perimeter and the area of circle are numerically equal, so perimeter is 2 pi r equal is pi r square. So here pi is pi cancel out, r is 1 r cancel out, so here 2 is equal to r, so imply that r is equal to 2 unit. So option is correct, option is A. Thank you. If you have any problem, so write the question in comment box also, and your homework is revise this question and also example, and learn the formula of next exercise. Thank you.